Office 911. What's the address of the emergency?
Hi, my vehicle was stolen, and
Okay, where was it stolen from?
I'm stranded up here at the Strawberry General Store, and I need a sheriff to come out.
Let me get you over to Highway Patrol.
911 emergency, what are you reporting?
I'll go with the 10851 transfer at the Strawberry store.
Okay. Hello?
Hi, yeah, my vehicle was stolen, and I'm stranded up here at the Strawberry store on Herring Creek and Highway 108.
Okay, what kind of vehicle was it and what color?
It was a white Dodge Grand Caravan.
When was the last time you saw it?
I'll explain more when you guys get here. I just need someone to come up here because I'm just...
Right. You talking to me doesn't interfere with them going. They're still going.
Okay, sounds good. I'll
what's
just
the license plate number or the VIN?
There was no license plate on it, but I'll explain more when I get here because it's kind of a complicated situation. So yeah, I'll explain to the officers when they get here. Can you guys please have
that information though is what I'm asking because we have to have it in order to put it in the system.
Can you guys please have a sheriff come as well? You said Highway Patrol, right?
Right.
Can you guys please have a sheriff come as well?
Okay, is there anything I need to tell them as far as safety?
No, I'm just at the front of the general store. I'll be waiting right here.
And your name?
Thomas Humphrey.
Your phone number, the 617 number?
Yep.
Okay, we'll send them over there.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hi, this is Deputy Kersey with the Swampy County Sheriff's Office. Is this Thomas?
Yes, this is him.
Okay, what's going on today, Thomas?
Yeah, I need you guys to come out so I can speak with you about my vehicle being stolen.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're calling for CHP and SO?
Well, I didn't call for CHP. I called the sheriffs, because I know you guys are county-wide, but and I know that you guys hold a higher authority than the California Highway Patrol.
Right.
So I need you guys to come out. I don't care if they come out, actually.
Okay, yeah. Normally CHP handles 10851 just because they're more of the jurisdiction of vehicle operations. Does that make any sense?
Yeah, but I prefer the sheriff's department come out.
Okay. Where did you want to meet at?
I'm stranded at the general store here, so.
The general store in Strawberry?
Strawberry General Store, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll head out there and we'll see what we can do. All right.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yep.
Thank you. Yep. Bye.
Hello?
Hi, is this Thomas?
Yes, this is him.
This is Officer Slate with the Highway Patrol.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. So what's going on? My dispatch didn't have much info.
Yeah, my vehicle was stolen, and I need you guys to come out here so I can speak with you guys.
Okay. Does it have a plate or anything that I can run?
I'll explain more when you guys get out here. I really need you guys to come out here because of the circumstances.
What kind of circumstances? I'm coming from Sonora, so it's going to be a few.
Oh, sounds good.
So I'm just trying to understand what I've got before I get there.
Yeah, no, my vehicle was stolen, and I need to file a complaint and a report.
Okay, when was it stolen?
Like I said, I'll explain more when you get out here, man, because the circumstances are they're different, but I need you guys to come out here because my vehicle was stolen, and you guys are law enforcement, so I need you guys to enforce the law.
Okay, Thomas, I'm trying to help you out.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to get myself into before I get up there. I am on my way.
Okay.
And I will happily take a report. However, do you have any paperwork or anything for the car or a license plate or anything?
Yep, I am the lawful owner of the vehicle.
Okay, can you give me the license plate number now so I can run it?
No, like I said, sir, I really need you to come out because of the circumstances.
Thomas,
my
Thomas,
vehicle,
listen to
so
me.
it's not registered. I am the lawful owner, but
Okay.
it's not registered.
Okay, so it's not registered in the state of California or
It's
registered
not,
anywhere?
It's not registered at all. Can you hold for 1 second, please? Sorry.
I can.
Hello?
Hey, Thomas, is Deputy Secretary again.
Hey.
Hey, so I just talked to some people. We're gonna have CHP handle this, but you might have to call their dispatch office number. You want their number so you can call them?
No, is there a reason why you guys can't come out?
Just generally CHP takes these reports, so that's why they'll do a little bit thorough investigation.
I prefer the sheriff's department because you guys are public servants and law enforcement, and I need you guys to enforce the law.
Okay, well, CHP can do that.
I know the dynamic of the law enforcement agencies, and you guys hold the highest ranking office in the land. And
Correct.
So I need you guys to come out here. I really do. I mean, you guys are paid public servants. I am a citizen, so I do request the sheriff's department to come out here.
For what purpose?
I just stated.
Okay, well, like I said, CHP is going to come out there. They're going to take the report. I don't see the reason why I need to go out there.
Well, there's numerous. I'm in Tualamu County, right?
Correct.
And you are Tualamu County Sheriff. So I need a county sheriff to come out here so I can file a complaint with the sheriff's office.
For what?
For grand theft auto.
Yeah, like I said, CHP will handle that.
Yeah, but that's not the California. I mean, that's not the sheriff's department though.
That's correct, but 1085-1 will still go in our record for the stolen vehicle.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Yeah, like I said, if we come across that vehicle and CHP is not involved with the traffic stop or whatever, we'll still have that in our system. By you or whatever.
I'm sorry. Yeah. So yeah, this is a Tualamu County Sheriff on the line. This is CHP on the line as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was requesting the sheriff's department come out because they hold the highest ranking office in the land, and I need them to enforce the law, and I wanted to file the complaint with the sheriff's department. Hello? Are you guys there?
I'm having issues with my phone today, so.
Oh, okay.
Like I said, I'm on my way. I'm coming up from Sonora, so it's going to be a little bit. And you said the vehicle's not registered.
No, it was never registered. I'm the lawful owner. I have proof of sale. I have the bill of sale. So, but it just was never registered.
Okay. Well, I will be up there in a little bit. I'm guessing probably 45 minutes to an hour.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, sir.
Yep. Thank you.
Bye.
So you won't be able to come out, sir?
No, he'll be able to fulfill your needs, sir.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, you take care.
Yeah, bye-bye. All right, CHP is here. Oh, CHP just pulled up. I've had better days.
Understandable. What can I do for you?
So my vehicle was stolen.
Okay. I'm Officer Slade, by the way. I spoke to you on the phone.
All right. Yeah, Thomas.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay, so it's actually were you guys that stole it. So August.
We stole your car?
Yep.
Okay. Explain to me on that.
So August 8th, I was pulled over in Sonora.
Okay.
I've canceled all my government contracts, so I'm operating in the private.
Okay.
So I'm a private American national.
Okay.
So it was just being held under conditions that I get license plates.
Okay.
But I just called Vic's Towing yesterday, and they informed me that it's $4,095.
Excuse me real quick.
Yeah.
It's my dispatcher. My radio doesn't really work up
Yeah,
here.
sounds good.
All right, thanks, Mike. Yeah, like I said, my radio doesn't really work up here, so.
Yep.
My phone does.
No worries.
Okay,
so
cool. Continue.
So, anyways, the reason why I'm reporting it stolen now is because I got notice from Vic's Towing that they have cleared for lien sale.
Okay.
So they have unlawfully taken possession of my vehicle.
Okay.
And so now I have to file a complaint for grand theft auto.
Okay.
Because the lady told me, she said, well, it's no longer yours. They own it now and they can sell it at any moment. So I have all my stuff in there. I have precious sacred items that I live in my van.
Okay.
And I travel all over. So the only way I can put a judicial estoppel on any further proceedings is by filing a complaint with you guys.
Okay.
But, you know, I detect a conflict of interest because you guys are the ones responsible. So, but that's why I was requesting.
That's why you were asking for the sheriff's office to come.
And
Okay.
and if I would have explained further, you guys would have been like, "Oh, it's CHP took it. It was lawful."
No, and my dispatch had very limited info, and so I was trying to get some info before I came up here.
And
that's all that was.
That's why, because if
But
I
no,
would have
I mean,
if
that
I would have
makes
told
sense.
you more, you guys would not have drove out here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we
No,
took it. Oh, we're not coming out. It wasn't stolen. You know, but
So on August 8th, when your vehicle was taken, well, since then,
Yeah.
have you contacted my office or anything?
Yep,
Have
here's
you
the
spoken to
documentation.
a supervisor?
yes. So you know,
I'm just trying to understand.
Yeah.
So.
yeah, under due process law,
Okay.
you must give proper notice before you you know, you can deprive someone of their life or liberty or
Okay.
property. You know, I wasn't given any proper notice, but I am following due process law and giving you guys proper notice and informing you that you guys are in violation of the law. So this was submitted to your agency, to actually the commissioner. So
Okay.
you can check that out. And so I've presented documentation to Officer Polito. He's
Okay.
of your district, right?
Yes, I know who Officer Polito
Yeah,
is.
he's
Yes.
the one that towed my vehicle.
Okay.
After I handed him this notice.
Okay.
So he just disregarded it, which is actually reckless negligence.
Okay.
Because now you guys are actually liable for damages. But so anyways, after it was taken, 2 days later, I sent this notice, return receipt requested. I have documentation that
And you
it was.
sent this to our commissioner.
Yep,
Correct. Okay.
in Sacramento there.
Okay.
So you guys are in receipt of this
Okay.
declaration
I'll take it below
and notice, which now, I explained, I said, you know, I have demands on the back that, you know, to release my vehicle to me, to release my private property. And since I have not received notice that it's released, I've even called your office in Jamestown.
Okay.
And they said, well, after this notice, and they said, bring license plates and registration and we'll release it. So now they're acting with willful intent to break the law.
Okay.
So, you know, I need to file this complaint in order to stop Vic's Towing from proceeding any further with my vehicle.
Okay. I am going to go back to my car real quick. I'm going to contact my supervisor.
All right.
And see how we're going to proceed.
All right, yeah. So, and I'm also gonna present you with this notice as well, since you have come out.
Okay.
This is what I presented to Officer Polito.
Okay.
So
This stuff right
that's yours. Yep.
Okay.
You can keep that. Here, I'll give you a. All right. Yep, that's good.
Okay. Give me a copy there.
Yep.
That's the same thing. Okay.
Yep, same exact thing.
Yeah, let me go take a look at this. Like I said, let me call my supervisor. And see how he wishes. Yeah. And see how he wishes for me to proceed. And
Yep.
we'll go from there. Okay.
All right.
Where's those back?
Sounds good.
You said I could hold on to this?
Yep. Those
Okay.
are yours. Yeah.
So, I call my dispatch. Oh,
No worries.
and here, I'll hold this stuff while you grab that. Okay. No problem. So I called my dispatch just to see if the sheriff's office was responding.
Yeah.
Apparently they are not. So if you want to call them back, or I can tell them, hey, that you still wish to talk to them.
Yeah. Okay.
In regards of any report, obviously from me, I mean, you've been told by our supervisors, you know, what you need to do to get your vehicle out.
Yeah.
So there's really nothing more I can do for you.
As anticipated, they refused to take my complaint. you know, which I expected because they're the responsible party and there's a conflict of interest. That's why I was so insistent on having the sheriff's department come out, because you know, the reason why I'm filing this complaint is because Vic's Towing has cleared lien sale. So now they're the legal owner, but they have illegally seized possession of my private property. And in order for me to put a judicial estoppel on any further proceedings, I have to file a complaint. So that's why I need to get this complaint filed. But the California Highway Patrol refused to take a complaint, but I am grateful that he gave me a ride down here to Sonora, because you know, that's why the sheriff's department didn't want to come out there, because it was about an hour drive to get down off the mountain. So what do you do when your vehicle's stolen? You call 911. So you know, this is my second attempt at filing a complaint.
Sheriff's Office 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Yeah, I'm at Staples in Sonora.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm calling to report my vehicle stolen.
Okay, let me get to the police department. Hold on 1 second.
No, I need the sheriff's department.
The sheriff's department doesn't take stolen vehicles. It's either PD or CHP. 911, what is your emergency? Call me with a transfer for a stolen vehicle at Staples.
Hello?
Hi, you're reporting a stolen vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, and it was taken from the parking lot of Staples?
No, it was illegally. So I need an officer to come out here so I can explain what happened. But my vehicle was stolen, and I need to make a complaint, file a complaint.
Okay, I need to know where it was stolen from.
It was stolen from the street right in front of Adventist Hospital.
On Greenlee Road?
Yep, right on Greenlee Road there.
Okay, and when was it stolen?
So I need an officer to come out. I won't be sharing any further information.
Well, you need to answer my questions before you get an officer to assist you, sir.
Well, you know, I need to explain what happened, because you know, I just had an encounter with the Highway Patrol and they refused to take my complaint. So I need an officer to come out so I can file this complaint.
Why did CHP refuse to take the report?
Because they're the responsible party.
Hold on a moment.
Yeah.
Thanks for holding, sir. I'm sorry about the wait.
Yeah.
Can I get your name?
Thomas Humphrey.
Okay, and you're currently at Staples. Is that where I send an officer to meet with you?
Yep. I'm on the bench right next to Staples here.
Perfect. Okay, and what kind of vehicle is involved?
2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, white.
White in color. Okay. And when did CHP tow it?
August 8th.
Okay.
But
And,
the reason why I'm reporting it stolen now is because there was a hold on it due to no registration, and I just received notice from Vic's Towing that they cleared for lien sale, so they've unlawfully seized my property. So in order to put a judicial stop on any further proceedings pertaining to my private property, I have to file this complaint, because I just got notice yesterday, and the lady said, well, your vehicle could be sold at any moment of any day. So I need to file this complaint to put in a judicial estoppel.
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to put the information into the call, and then I will have an officer come contact you at Staples, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay,
Yep.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, sir, if you don't contract, I'm going to take your stuff away from you and I'm taking you to jail. So you would be compelled to contract with me. That's illegal.
Can I explain the process behind that?
Well, I understand. You guys are operating under maritime admiralty law, which it supersedes due process.
I was just going to explain probably why he told you he's going to take you to jail, right?
Why?
It's because you have a right to see a magistrate on that violation. You have a right to a quick, speedy trial, right?
Yep.
So if you don't want to sign and take that court date for however many weeks out, they say, okay, fine then, we'll take you before a magistrate as quickly as possible. And the only way to do that is to take you to the county jail.
And arrest you and take you to jail.
And that is the only way to maintain your right to a quick and speedy trial.
Oh,
right?
so you see the contradiction though? At that point, I am under duress. I'm doing something at someone else's will against my will. I'm not in my proper state of mind. So that right there is a violation. Okay, you cannot.
So I'm just going to try to point you to the proper channels to make this complaint. Okay.
Okay.
So number one, I can't take a complaint for the California Highway Patrol. I've said that once, maybe twice already. Okay. You have to go through the California Highway Patrol to make a complaint against Officer Polito.
Which is a conflict of interest. You can't.
The way the departments work, if they are investigating an officer and they think there's a conflict of interest, they very well could hire an outside agency to do the investigation.
Yeah.
That's not going to be up to me. Okay?
If I was a criminal and you guys were investigating, you had a complaint against me, I would close my door and say, hold on, let me check if I'm doing things right. Close the door on you and be like, hey guys, there's somebody out here, saying that they got a complaint against us. That's criminal.
I'm just trying to explain to you how
it's
you
criminal.
can meet your goal. If you want to make a complaint that he violated your rights, that has to go through the Superior Courts of California and up those channels. Okay.
All right.
There is not much that I can do for you besides document our conversation today and what you've told me and what I've told you, and I can give you that incident number where that will be documented.
California Highway Patrol just pulled up. It looks like Polito. Oh, so who it is?
How are you doing?
All right, I've had better days, man.
Okay.
But I'm blessed no matter what.
All right, what can I do for you?
I was actually trying to file a complaint.
You've already done that.
Well,
we've got all your paperwork.
I put you guys on notice, but there's not an official complaint unless you guys accept that as a complaint. But there has been notice delivered. But the reason why I took this step today was because yesterday I called Vic's Towing, and they have said that they're cleared for lien sale, and she said your property could be sold at any moment of any day. So in order to put a judicial estoppel on any further proceedings with my private property, I have to have something, a case number.
Down there, and they said if you came by Friday, they would let you get your stuff out.
Yeah, but
you were just there. Did you get it out?
No, she said they weren't. They didn't have anybody available for me. So they gave me by Friday, but that doesn't take away the fact that my van is still going to be taken. Yeah.
Right. I mean, what you're talking about getting your personal property back?
No. Yeah. Well, I'm filing a complaint for the theft of my mobile home. So though I'm getting my stuff, and I'm truly grateful for that. That I haven't had my opportunity to be heard in court yet for them to sell my property. You know what I'm saying? We haven't even got to that point yet. I've done my due diligence and in abiding by due process by putting you guys on notice. My paperwork just flew everywhere before Sonora PD got here, but
who'd you talk to with the PD?
I can't remember his name. Yeah, that's him. Yeah. So
hold on 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Mercedes one? How long ago did they leave?
Just about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
But they refused to take my complaint as well. Earlier one of your deputies came up to Strawberry or where, right?
I'm sorry, hold on. Mercedes one, 10-4. And that's it for my mouth. I'm sorry, go ahead, sir.
One of your deputies came up to Strawberry, you're aware, correct? Yeah, gave me a ride down, and he refused to take my complaint as well. But if
he doesn't have the authority to take a complaint. He's not a supervisor.
Okay. Yeah. Well, you can file a complaint with an officer, right?
No, not with
Okay.
it's got to go through a supervisor.
Okay.
They don't take complaints.
You're sergeant?
I am a sergeant.
Oh, right. Cool. Okay. So I mean,
there's not a complaint to be filed because we're aware of your concerns and that's all the paperwork we've got. Filing we're taking that as a complaint.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So then will you guys please let Vic's Towing know that they cannot just sell my property because
that has nothing to do with the lien sale process, right? A complaint has nothing to do with the lien sale process.
Right, but so you guys are the responsible party that are holding my property. They said you're not holding my property at Vic's Towing. Mm-hmm. You guys said I can't have my property back unless I bring registration.
You can't have your car.
Yeah. That's my property.
Are you talking specifically about your car?
Yeah, which is my property.
Certain requirements you have to have met to get your car out.
Yeah, well, that's my property though. It's private property still. You know, my vehicle is. I didn't register.
You want to consider your car property? That's fine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I haven't registered it to the government. That means you guys are no longer the owners, or you guys don't have jurisdiction over my private property. But so, though I'm able to get my stuff out of my van, I still haven't been heard in court before you guys deprive me of my vehicle. Okay. You know, that's proper due process. You understand due process, correct? Right?
I understand due process.
Yeah. So that gives me an opportunity to be heard, to cross-examine witnesses, to present evidence, and the opportunity to appeal before I can be deprived of my life, liberty, or private property. So if they sell it, you can't say that's not related. The claims process, or them taking unlawful possession of my property, because it's all related.
It's not unlawful possession, it's lawful possession.
They
have a lawful right to do that.
Well, it's unlawful in that I've not contracted.
I understand that you dispute it.
Yeah.
Right? We're going to agree. We could sit here and we could talk all night long.
Yeah, no, I'm
We're going to agree to disagree on this.
Yeah.
Right? Because you don't think they have a lawful possession. I 100% think they do. Yeah. The state of California thinks they do. Right? And that's why they have it like this. I understand your concerns. Right? 100%.
Have you read every word that I sent you?
I have not read every word that I've wrote to you, because I'm not the one per se that's working this. We'll call it your complaint, right? That's another supervisor, but I'm aware of everything that's going on. I have not. You give us a ton of information. Yeah. Right. I've read a lot of it. I haven't read all.
Well, you're actually obligated to perform as a public servant. So
obligated to perform what?
Obligated to perform your duties as a public servant.
My duties.
Well, when presented with a legal notice or a complaint, you can't just. It's actually reckless negligence not to read what you've been presented.
That's fine.
Yeah.
You can
and I'm not. Listen, I'm just assertively standing for my rights, and I'm exercising my rights. I'm not being aggressive or abrasive, and it's not a jab at you guys. I'm just standing up for my rights, and and a lot of times. What I see is, you guys are law enforcement officers to enforce these policies, but you guys take it personal when someone doesn't do as you guys are instructed to enforce.